Hey folks, Chris Ropeta here. As most of you know, there's a public hearing coming up this Tuesday at 7 p.m. where I guess I'm going to be officially flogged. Maybe drag me out in handcuffs, I don't know, it's getting serious, right? Well, I mean, apparently I'm just that dangerous. Well, okay, let's be real. I've been doing what you elected me to do. But here's something I wanted to share with you today. As I prepare for Tuesday's meeting, I went back and reviewed the meeting where this whole thing started, the January 7th board meeting. This is where the certain board members, had already prepared for a resolution to censure me. Yes, before any discussion took place at a public meeting, the decision was already made. Boom, resolution, written, printed, added to the agenda. Charges, verdict, punishment, everything, all wrapped up like a bad Netflix drama. So, at the January meeting, I asked some questions. I wanted to know, what laws did I break? What exactly am I guilty of? Watch this clip.
This behavior cannot and will not be tolerated.
Thank you.
I'd like to add a comment, please. So, with regard to the items in each of the censure resolutions, they don't specifically tie to things like, for example, there's a claim that there's a violation of ethics, standards and ethics, but where's the documentation around standards and ethics that we can learn what that charge is for? They state that it's a possible violation of the Open Meetings Act. Well, we don't work in possibilities here. We work in, did you violate the Open Meetings Act or did you not violate the Open Meetings Act? Did you violate the law or did you not violate the law? And so I'd like to understand, before voting and on these particular issues, what ethics and standard guidelines you're working from. I couldn't find anything out there in the public website from the Tyrone Township website that described ethics and standards for the township to be able to compare against so that we can understand. And I couldn't find anything in the Open Meetings Act that showed that we violated the Open Meetings Act, and even our attorney over there said that he would need to research it forward. So if we're on such a hot path to get something done and get a censure applied, wouldn't it be prudent to actually have the facts of these really important things before making these decisions? That's why I called for these to just be removed from the agenda.
I think we should ask our attorney, Chuck, if he can underline the laws that were violated when those letters went out. You got it.
Can you hear me now?
Yep. Yes.
I don't know enough facts to tell you whether there's been any laws violated. A violation of the Open Meetings Act would require at least 4 members.
Those are the questions I asked. Please tell me, from where in the Open Meetings Act did you find a law or a section of the law that I broke? Where is the document, the list of ethics, and which one or ones did I violate? I mean, these are serious charges, right? Go listen to the rest of the meeting. The non-answers are very interesting, but those non-answers reflect exactly what the township lawyer wrote. With the help of certain board members, they didn't have anything. The resolution to censure me says I may have broken an OMA law and that I have violated some mysterious list of ethics that doesn't exist. Well, stay tuned. I'll be posting more clips in the next day or so. And hey, don't miss an upcoming video I'm putting together, a top 10 list. Trust me, it's one you're going to want to hear. I'm doing the things you elected me to do. Take care, God bless, and stay tuned.